Hello students, today we are going to discuss your worksheet number 64 class 9th science for the date 7th December. In today's worksheet we'll learn about the chemical formula. So what are chemical formula? Chemical formula of a compound is the symbolic representation of its composition कि उसके अंदर कौन कौन से elements participate कर रहे हैं and this chemical formula gives us information about the element that form the compound and the number of each element taking part. For writing chemical formula we should know the valency of each atom, present element or ion taking part in a reaction. There are different steps which are taken for writing the chemical formula. So first you have to write the symbols like hydrogen H, sulfur S, then we write the valency below it and then we crisscross them like this. So the formula becomes H2S. Write valency of second atom as subscript of first and first as the subscript of second. Remember the rule, the valency of charges on the ions must balance each other. Second, the symbol of the metal is written first if present. Remember, we write metal symbol first, and in case of polyatomic ions, use bracket to separate the subscript from the ions like this. You can see NH4 and then subscript whole twice we have written 2. So you can see the different formulas here. Hydrogen chloride, hydrogen 1, chlorine 1, HCl. If such situation occur, carbon 4 valency, oxygen 2. So the formula becomes C2O4. We reduce it to the lowest whole number by dividing with the same number. So we divided it by 2. So it becomes CO2. Same is the case in the case of calcium oxide also. Examples of formula of ionic compounds like the ammonium sulfate, aluminium 3 plus and sulfate 2 minus. So this is aluminium sulfate Al2 SO4 whole thrice. Example magnesium oxide hydroxide MgOH2. So magnesium and OH2 minus. Ammonium sulfate ammonia NH4 and sulfate SO4. So this is the examples of the different ionic compounds which are used for making the compounds. Let's see the question answers. Write what does a chemical formula of a compound represent? So you can write the first answer from here. A chemical formula of a compound is a symbolic representation of its composition. This much is enough. Write the chemical formula of calcium chloride, answer 2. So calcium is Ca and chlorine is Cl. So calcium is 2 and chlorine is 1. When we crisscross these, it becomes CaCl2. Okay. B part, magnesium carbonate, Mg and CO3. So magnesium is 2 and carbonate. So here it is magnesium carbonate, remember. So carbonate is also 2. But when we write MgCO3 whole twice, bringing it to the lowest, it becomes magnesium carbonate, MgCO3. Then water, C, hydrogen and oxygen, hydrogen 1, oxygen 2. So it becomes H2O. Then aluminium chloride, D part, Al, Cl 3, 1, Al, Cl 3. So as you can see, we have written this. Write the formula of the compound formed by following set of atoms. So we can do it on the nitrogen and hydrogen, nitrogen and oxygen, and calcium and oxygen. We have just tried the formula formed by the set of atoms. So we can say nitrogen and hydrogen can form ammonia, NH3. Nitrogen and oxygen you can write NO2, and calcium and oxygen you can write calcium oxide. Write the formula of the compounds formed by the following set of atoms. You have to just write the formula. Okay. Then the write example of 2 each positively charged and negatively charged ions. So positively charged and negatively charged ions, you can say, you can write positively charged is aluminium. It is having 3 plus and magnesium 2 plus. And for the negatively charged, you can write carbonate CO3, or you can write OH minus, it is 2 minus. So you can write the negatively charged here. Answer number 4. So hope you like the worksheet. Thanks for watching. Do subscribe. Thank you.